This is lesson 15-2, and the focus is how do you classify triangles? You know that a triangle is a polygon. Today you will learn how to classify triangles. First, I want you to think about what examples of triangles do you see in your daily life. Some possible examples would be a clothes hanger, a road sign, the roof line of a house, or even the structure of a bridge. In your math notebook or on a separate piece of paper, I want you to draw 6 different triangles with different properties. And next to each triangle, I want you to list the properties that it has. For example, if it has 2 equal sides, or 1 right angle, or 3 acute angles, or so on. So please go ahead and pause and draw 6 different triangles, labeling each one with its properties. Here are some possibilities that you may have. Please add any to your list that you do not have. One way to classify triangles is by the lengths of its sides. An equilateral triangle has all sides of the same length. An isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. And an scalene triangle has no sides that are the same length. If you're missing any of these in your notebook, please add them now. You can also classify a triangle by the measures of its angles. For example, a right triangle has exactly 1 right angle equal to 90 degrees, and this can usually be identified by the box seen down in the corner. An acute triangle has 3 acute angles, all less than 90 degrees. And an obtuse triangle has 1 obtuse angle greater than 90 degrees. Please add any of these triangles that you're missing to your notes. So let's recap the important points of this lesson. First, one way we can classify triangles is by the length of its sides, and we use special names such as equilateral, isosceles, and scalene to describe the length of the sides. Secondly, we can classify triangles by the measure of its angles. If we see a right angle, it's a right triangle. If it has 3 acute angles, it's an acute triangle. And if it has 1 obtuse angle, it will be an obtuse triangle. Please add this to your notes and bring them to class. This is lesson 15-2. How do you classify triangles?